The mystery behind tag out, unveiled. Hey everyone, in today's lesson, we're diving into the phrase, tag out. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly when and how to use it. Let's get started. Tag out comes from games, especially sports like wrestling or team games where players take turns. Think of the game, tag, where one person is it, and they try to touch or tag another player. Once tagged, the other player becomes it. In team sports, a player might tag out to let another player take their place. In a literal sense, tag out means to replace someone in a game or activity, especially if it's done by physically tapping them. For instance, in a wrestling match, a wrestler might tag out to let their partner enter the ring. Outside of sports, tag out can be used figuratively. It might mean 1. Taking a break. I've been driving for 5 hours. Can you tag out with me? This implies that the speaker wants someone else to drive while they take a rest. 2. Switching roles. In a group project, if someone says, I'll tag out and let you handle the presentation, it means they'll step back and let someone else take over that task. Let's see how tag out can fit into everyday conversation. 1. After working on this for hours, I need to tag out. Can you take over? 2. I'm getting tired. Can you tag out with me at the cashier? 3. When you're feeling overwhelmed, just let me know and I'll tag out with you. And there you have it. Whether you're talking about sports, taking breaks, or just switching roles, tag out is a versatile phrase to keep in your English vocabulary toolkit. Hope you found this explanation helpful. Remember, English is all about practice, so try using tag out in your conversations today. Happy learning!